We made a video a few years ago showing off a 4K $100 drone that looked like this.
It didn't even pick up off the ground.
Did you like go full throttle?
If I was 100% full throttle.
And it was a scam. So I don't have a lot of hope for a drone that costs a fifth of the price. And this is what we're used to with drone footage. Except this drone is $2,200. But let's dive in.
All right, so we have to hook this thing up. I have to download and install a mobile app. I have an Apple. What's this? Hopefully that's just an antenna. This is the battery. We did charge it beforehand. A lot of times I'm gonna be the one in front of the camera and Ryan, of course, will be behind the camera because it's a two-man crew and well, we need someone to film it.
And I'm better at filming than he is.
Okay. Dude, for 18 bucks, we actually got a back cover.
No back to this battery compartment. All right, the batteries fell out. You know why? Because there's no battery compartment.
Oh my gosh. Is that more on my battery count?
Oh, look at that. I actually have video. And then I can go to, ooh, I just took a picture, hit video, starts video, media library, let's see, pictures. Look at that. So it says dual camera. It actually is a dual camera. Look at that. Look how many settings there are. Dude, if all of this works, like, I mean, wow.
We are out in the field, ready to go. I hope we just have like some control over this. How do I take it off? Oh! Come back. Uh-oh. Oh, this is bad. I'm not entirely sure what the point of the controller is. Like, I had to control it with my phone, so what's the point of this? Why we didn't fly it inside, but it went straight into the wall immediately. I don't know how to control it. Now I'm recording. Okay, can I turn it? No. Oh, go down. That was better. The left stick, I was controlling everything. So I was controlling the rotation, how high up it goes, back and forth. The other stick only kind of makes it go like this, slightly. So it doesn't really do anything. And then none of these work. Let me just press buttons. Any of those work? Nope. Why's it going that way now? Stop. I didn't know that's what that did. Why is it going so fast? Why is it at such an angle? Oh, no. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what glue it is. You think it went over the fence? This way? Oh, I see it. Oh, I got something in my shoe.
It does do video, it does take pictures, and yes, it does fly.
Oh, it's gonna hit the gate.
We've learned if there's any wind outside, this drone is very hard to control. It's usually gonna drift with the wind. But we haven't tested it inside, so let's try that.
Oh my god. Stop.
It definitely feels like a Dollar Tree item in my hand. But I will say, because this is so hard to control, it crashed a lot, and it still is holding up just fine. I think this one's gonna be hard to judge because it technically does what it says it's going to do. It flies and takes videos. Does it do it well? That's up to you to decide. If this is for a kid, first time drone, first time video, this is a solid choice. But if you're gonna do it for professional videos, I would not recommend that. It's real. But comment below, from what you saw in today's video, do you think it's a scam? Or would you buy this for $18?